In this video, I'm going to explain the process of entering master keys into your ATM. Master keys are alphanumeric codes that are used to encrypt a customer's PIN number when doing a transaction. These keys are provided by your ATM processor and must be entered during the initial programming or setup process of your ATM, or whenever a new or replacement keypad is installed. It is important for me to note that there are very specific procedures regarding the handling, custody, and security of these keys, as well as how they should be entered and by whom. Also, how you should properly log and dispose of these documents after they are entered. So please follow all instructions provided by your processor or distributor. That said, our support team is often asked how to navigate the various menus associated with master key entry. So this video is simply a way to show what the whole process of key programming would look like as an educational demonstration. Master keys are provided in secure envelopes. Each envelope or paper is considered one key. 2 keys will be required to program the whole master key. The paper containing the key will look something like this. The components of the master key codes are 2 16-character codes made up of the numbers 0 through 9 and the letters A through F. The top code is entered first, and the bottom code entered next. There is also a checksum or check digit that will be 4 or 6 characters. This code is compared with a code appearing on the ATM screen to verify that the codes were entered properly. The procedure shown here is for keypad models B3 and B5. To load keys in the ATM, you'll need the master password to access the full operator menu, and you'll also need the key management or secure mode passwords. These passwords are set when the machine is initially programmed. You may need to get those passwords from your distributor. If you're replacing a keypad, then you'll set these passwords as part of the initial keypad installation. Begin by entering the ATM operator menu using the master password. Then go to Host Setup. Within Host Setup, select Key Management. You'll be prompted to enter the 2 secure mode passwords. For a B3 keypad, this is 2 6-digit numbers. For a B5, it's 2 8-digit numbers. Once into the Key Management menu, to enter a new key, press Edit Key. From this next menu, you'll have the choice to enter Master Key Part A or Master Key Part B. This means that you're choosing to enter the key envelope number 1 or key envelope number 2. It can be confusing because some master key envelopes will show the first key as Part A and the second key as Part B. So ignore the A and B on the papers and just understand that each envelope entered as either Part A or Part B. Next, you'll need to choose an index where the key will be stored. It's not important which index you choose, but rather that you will put both keys on the same index. So if you choose index 1, then just make sure the second key is also entered on index 1. Press number 1 and then the Enter key to proceed. Now you'll see a map of the keypad, showing how to enter the letters and numbers. The numbers are as printed on the keys, and the letters are as follows. Left arrow key is A, right arrow key is B, blank key is C, cancel key is D, clear key is E, and the Enter key is F. Note that once you start typing in your key, you cannot stop or go back if you make a mistake. Just keep typing until you reach the end, and you'll have to start over. It's best to familiarize yourself with the keypad layout before entering the key, and also try and do this while you're not distracted. There is a timer on this step, and if you exceed the limit, you'll be kicked out of the menu for 30 seconds. Looking at your envelope, type the first 16 characters of the key. Then type the second key. Once you finish entering the key, you'll get a screen showing the check digit for that key. Make sure it matches the check digit or checksum on the envelope. Press Enter to continue. The process is the same for Master Key Part B. Enter the 2 parts of the key and then verify against the check digit at the end. Press Enter to continue, and then cancel back to the main key management menu. At the top of this screen, you'll see the key index that you chose. And you'll see key checksum. This is also called the combined checksum and can be verified with your host to ensure that the correct sets of keys have been successfully entered. If the checksums match, you can exit the menu and bring the machine online to test. If you make a mistake while entering a key, and as a result, you now can't get a combined checksum, please see our video link in the description for how to fix this problem. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega support.